Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Turejo Foot Massager. This is kneading, scraping, heat, vibrating, and air pressure foot massager unit. If you look on the side here, you can see some of the features there: high-speed rolling, kneading and scratching, powerful vibrating, and a 15 minutes auto-off timer. So let's get this thing open. There are some more features down here, actually. Let's look at those real quick. Comprehensive massage heat is an option. There's 2 intensities, there's 2 modes, and there's also air pressure. So, just so you know that those features are there. Right. Let's take, first of all, you have your power cord, I'm assuming. Yep. Your power cord looks like it's got a really long cord, which is good, so it'll reach where you need it to go. And now let's slide this thing out of the box. First, let me just really quick grab that manual just so you can see that they do indeed, of course, include a manual that has all the pertinent information on how to use the foot massager and a lot of different languages. So that's the manual, and this is the foot massager. One thing I do like about it right away is that it's small compared to other foot massagers I've used and reviewed. This one is very small, doesn't take up a lot of space, so that's kind of cool. Also, it is one size fits all. It doesn't have a cavity that only fits a certain amount of feet. It has these sandal-like holders that you just stick your feet up under there, so should accommodate any size feet within reason. But you can see, very well made. Nice mesh cover over the massage parts down here, and I can feel, as I'm feeling this, I can feel the rollers and things that are in there, so I can feel that they're definitely going to be doing some work. I'm excited to put those to use. These uppers, I doubt that's authentic leather. I'll have to look that up. But it does have a leather look to it. Very nice stitching. You have the Turejo logo there. And then you've got your buttons here. The mode button, the on-off button. So make sure you can see that all right. The on-off button, the heat button, the air button, and the speed button. And then right here is where you're going to be plugging in that power cord to get power to it. Turning it over, you can see it has these rubber feet on the bottom, so that when you put this on the floor, it won't slide around on you if it's on a like a hardwood floor or a laminate flooring. And this foot massager is DC 12 volt 4A with 48 watts of power, and the default timer is 15 minutes. That's what that label says. Anyway, this is the Turejo Foot Massager. Looks to be a really cool, good machine. Just filling in here, like I said, I can feel all those different contraptions and gadgets in there that are going to be really kneading my feet really well and massaging really well. So definitely looks like a really great product by Turejo. Anyway, this is going to be it for the unboxing. This product is available on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below. You can click that link. You can jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments below. Of course, stay tuned for my full detailed demo and review of this later on, which will probably answer most of your questions. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.